Hi guys, so today we're going to be talking about Patrice Brown, who is the TeacherBae as she's been claimed on social media. And Patrice Brown is the one that have been causing all the ruckus on social media about her bodycon clothing being appropriate, whether it's appropriate for school or not, the way she dresses for school, is it appropriate or not? So if you want to hear my thoughts and opinion on this topic, please keep on watching. So Patrice Brown is a Atlanta fourth grade assistant teacher. People got the story wrong when they thought she was a real teacher. She is a assistant teacher and she teaches fourth grade. Now comes the people with their negative Nancy and their negative BS. People are actually coming at this woman, this African American woman, saying that the clothing that she's wearing is inappropriate, it's too tight, all that. And I'm going to insert pictures for you guys to see. This woman have curves, and people don't have a problem with what she's wearing. They have a problem with how curvaceous she is, and that's the underlying issue. They don't have a problem with what she's wearing. The underlying issue of this matter is actually how curvaceous this African American, well educated, fine as hell woman is. That's the issue. That's the underlying issue right at hand. So this woman goes to work, teaches kids for a living, went to school, got her education, and now people are trying to reprimand her for what she's wearing to school. Really? Do you see some of the stuff, some of the clothing that these little kids wear to school nowadays? But they're going to tell a teacher, a grown woman with her degree that's teaching children, making impact on children's life, what to wear to school. You can tell your children what to wear to school. The government can tell the children what to wear to school. But you're trying to tell an African American woman with her degree what to wear to her job when she is actually following all the school code guidelines that they gave her. Really? And this is the world that we live in right now. And this is what I have a problem with. Nobody had any issue with her until she started getting noticed on social media. And that's when everybody come flocking in, giving their irrelevant opinion of this woman. So, okay, if that's the case, if that and what she's wearing is inappropriate, don't you think that the school district, the persons that hired her, would have told her what she's wearing to school is inappropriate? But no, the Atlanta school district waited until she blew up on social media to reprimand her and tell her that what she's wearing is inappropriate, and she have been given guidelines as to school dress code and social media use. That was their statement to the media. You're gonna wait until that time to reprimand this African American woman that did nothing but got her good education and now trying to give back to society in a great fashion, becoming a teacher, because teachers don't get paid that much, and they have to deal with a lot of stuff. So she's paying back her community, being a very good citizen, civilized citizen in today's society, and yet people still want to come for her, still want to drag her on social media about the clothes she chooses to wear. Now, let all of that sink in, and how dumb and stupid It is. Please let it all sink in. And this is what is funny. Most of the people that have an issue with this woman's clothing and her clothing choice are women. And we have been programmed and programmed so much to think that any woman with any success or anything good that's going for her is automatically a competition, and we look at women as our competitors instead of someone that's just like us, goes through the same struggles as us, but you have the nerve to go on social media and drag her for what she wore. As long as this woman is doing her job and doing it diligently and correctly, I don't think anybody should have a say in the way she chooses to represent herself. As long as she's not out here wearing pom pom shorts, crop top, and all these things, I don't see the big issue. As long as this woman is not here having sex with underage children, I don't see the big issue. Black women get criticized enough nowadays that when we actually become something civilized or something good in society, people still have negative stuff to nitpick about. And that's my whole opinion on it. If she's not having sex with underage children, I could care less. As long as she's not wearing pom pom shorts, crop top, and she's doing her job, I don't have a problem. And we've been programmed enough to hate women and hate each other that most of the people on these posts that are talking about her clothes is inappropriate are women. And take a good look at yourself, please. If you're one of those people, you need to take a good look at yourself and work out what's going on internally. Because whatever you do physically in the outer world or spew negativity in the outer world, something is going on internally, and that's why you're doing it. So take a good look. Or something is going on in your subconscious that you don't really know about and you're not paying attention enough to know about. So Miss Patrice Brown, girl, do your damn thing. Wear what you want to wear. Do your job. We got your back. Some women out here actually have other women's back. And appreciate seeing another black successful woman in today's society. More power to you. Do the damn thing. I'm done. Out of here. Deuces.